Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi PrimaDonna S, and we replaced the receptacle that connects to the steamer right there. We still have the machine open, so you can see we had to dig deep in here and take just about everything off the machine. The whole cover had to come off, this front piece, this cover, side covers to get to the wires. The wires curl all the way around the machine, back here to the main board. So yeah, it's pretty extensive, and now it's working well. So let's go ahead and make a latte. You can see we get nice foam. My cup might not be big enough. There's the espresso. You can see how thick the foam is just by how the espresso goes into it. I'll also show you with a spoon how thick it is. You can see how it's really nice and thick foam. So that's a good working espresso machine. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.